Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. If you're new, then welcome to this channel. Well, I'm back with one more interesting Python video. Well, today we are going to focus on one more interesting installer where we can convert Python exe to installation mode so that user can install the application anywhere in any system. So yesterday we worked on NSIS tool, right? Okay, so today we are going to focus on INNO setup tool. So this is what we are going to do. First, go to the website and download this INNO setup tool first. It looks something like this. Don't worry, I'm gonna paste the link in the description. You can just go there, tap on that link and come here, and if you tap on this random site, it will download the installation file of INNO setup tool. So after downloading INNO setup tool, it looks something like this. Yeah, it looks something like this. INNO setup compiler, and open it. Yeah, it looks something like this. So here we are going to create a new script file using the script wizard. So click on this one and then click on OK, and then it will show you this one. Just click on next, and here I'm gonna give you Bitcoin app as name, and that's it. I'm not gonna change anything. Just give example, just give next, just click on next, and then we are just going to keep application destination base folder, like after installation where your application will be. So we will give inside program files folder itself, and then just click on next. You don't have to change anything there. And here you have to give application main executable file. Also have to add folder where exactly that exe file is. Like for example, if you browse, we worked on application, right? So if you go back and if you see this application here, go to D. Here we have data, and then here we have application, right? This is actually the exe folder. So I'm going to open this one first, and I'm also going to open the folder where that exe file exactly is. So let me go to the D drive, and let me go to the application. Inside application, here we have, I'm sorry, I gave the wrong name. And if you click on OK, yes, should files and subfolders of the link also be included? Yes, we want them to also get included inside this. And just click on next. And we don't want file here. It's just a Bitcoin app. Just give next. And then you have to give next. For now, don't bother about all this information. Yeah, we want it to be in administrative mode while installing, and select all the required languages. For me, English is fine. Just click on next. Just click on next. There's nothing to do with these things for now. Now, yeah, INNO setup preprocessor, and just next. You have successfully completed the INNO setup script wizard. To close this wizard and generate the new script file, click finish. So you just have to click on finish, and then we want it to get compiled. Would you like to save? Yes, we want it to get saved. So we will save it here, and this is Bitcoin. Just give some name, Bitcoin compilation or something like that. And save. It will run, and it finished. Now let me go there and see whether this got installed or not. It created installer or not. So let me go there. Inside application, if you see here, we got an output file, and if you open it, here we have my setup, right? Just click on this. It will ask you to install, so just click on yes, and then Bitcoin app, yes, Just click on next, create a desktop shortcut so that we can see it. Next, install, and just finish, and just go to desktop so that we can see it. So here, this is the app that we just created. So if you run it, yeah, it's working. So this is how the INNO setup installer exactly works. You just have to give your own specifications while applying, and be careful with the folders, guys. If you have exe file in one folder, then give that entire folder's address as well, so that it can go there and collect the resultant dependencies or resultant files like images as well. Okay, and yeah, this is all about INNO setup. I'm gonna paste the link in the description. Just go there and download this INNO setup tool so that you can make the installed version of your project and you can run it anywhere in any system, even without Python programming language. So yeah, this is all about INNO setup. And if you guys didn't watch my previous videos, try going there and watch all of them so that you guys will get an idea on how to create this Python exe to the installation, from the project building to the installation part. If you like the video, then hit that cute little like button. If you're new to this channel, and if you're this extent, and if you still didn't subscribe to this channel, what are you waiting for? Just go there and tap the red button so that you guys will never miss any updates from us. So yeah, see you in the next video.